Hello. To uninstall all Bloatware on Redmi Note 14, first of all we have to go into the settings, scroll all the way down, go into apps right there, and go into manage apps. And here is the list of all the applications which are available, which are installed on your phone. And the Bloatware basically are the applications which comes pre-installed from the factory with your phone. And for example, this AliExpress, Amazon Music, and so here are also some games. I didn't actually install these applications, they came here when I first set up the phone. So right now I will show you how to uninstall all the Bloatware. So you simply have to go into all the applications you are not using, you don't actually want, and you tap on them and you simply press uninstall with every single application which you are not using and is unnecessary. These applications are basically using your storage, and sometimes they might actually be using the internet connection and maybe even the battery, since they might be working in the background. So yeah, you just have to take a look at the all list right here and uninstall all the applications which are here. I'm not really sure if there is any kind of the tool to uninstall all the applications which are not needed. It's better to do it yourself, because you might, for example, find Netflix here, which you can actually use. I, for example, use Netflix, so I will leave this one right there. But let's say the Opera right here, I'm not really using this application too. So yeah, here are. It's recommended actually. I recommend you personally to just take a look at this list and uninstall every single application which you are not using, and simply leave the applications which you are using here. So yeah, basically that's how to do it. Here are some completely random games installed, so yeah, and some other applications. I think I uninstalled everything actually. Yeah, so in my case that will be everything about the Bloatware. You can just, as I just said, you can check all these lists right here and take a look at which applications you are not using and which applications are good to use for you. So yeah, basically that's how to uninstall all Bloatware. Thank you for watching.